Welcome learners for the Advanced Course Level 5. Today we are diving into the concept with real-time problems. Before we dive into these real-time problems, hope you get guys clear with the concept of uh, concept we are just seeing till this date. If you can't get clear, just go through the simple things. Cause if you are coming to those real-time problems, you are might able to remember your small things. Okay, so in this concept, I'll show you the real-time problems. Maybe you take a screenshot or maybe making notes. It will help you all go through the life. Okay, so I'll show you the real-time problem. So coming to us, we are just seeing with how to convert the JSON to CSV using the pipe. The script will provide your JSON data to a CSV file. It takes a JSON file as an input and provides .csv file as an output. Let's make clear. First, we just install the JSON thing that we all held in the library. This is held onto the installation. Then your command for import. Yeah, you might able to remember that the thing for standard library. Yes, Python has a standard library for this thing also. So thing is to remember every time you just want to import a thing that is related to a problem, it's just making your time save. You just import the JSON, then if the name, then the main try with open your JSON file. Then it can be load to the read data. Then it gives the output as making thing of object, then making the thing, then it will open as a CSV file. Okay, so you guys have got clear what is exactly right here. This is a simple thing. It just takes the input as JSON, then check doing some formalities, okay, just doing some basic formalities. Then it just open as a .csv file. Finally, it will give as an output. If the file is not supported, then it is just simply throw error. Okay. So hope you guys get clear with the JSON to CSV. This is a normal thing. You can use this in your day-to-day life for converting a JSON to CSV file. Okay. Then coming for password generator. Simple project using random and string package to generate a random string of a given length. Okay. Here we initially import the random and the string standard libraries here. Then we just assigning a variable as string skill level plus string digit and string punctuation. Here, what is exactly done here is we just making the function as password is equal to join random thing. Then we give the length as 16. Then for we just need a password, right? We just write an situation of total plus length. So I want the total thing and the length thing. I want this both the condition is satisfied and give me the password. So this kind of things are just done doing with this line and these are all are stored in a password. Then it prints exact password that we all need the 16 length password. This is not might be useful for your thing, but when we are doing a big file or maybe a web application or maybe an app, they just need to generate an automatic password generator in their application. So that time it will might be help. Okay, string sets from multiple. Okay, uh, here what the exact thing we do? String sets from multiple files. Coming for the thing, find the file with supplied string. In your file, just need to find the thing of the exact string. So here we just imported the OS, then we give us the text, then we give the path. So this please it's just fishing for give of path. Then we just defining a function to get file. What might be exactly done here is it's just defining a function, then return a file naming file. We just use of absolute path. In the absolute path, we just return the get file. Then from the get files, we can open. Then we search for the string or. Then it just read. If the function is read found that, then it will give us the final path of exact location of the. If it doesn't mean no kind of file in your system, then it might return error. Finally, we just defining the exact function what we are needed in this thing. Then finally, then get files path. We get the output as if the file is found, then it gives us the file. If the file is not there, it just gives us the statement as not. Okay. So come for the next, which all links from a web page. Here, one thing is this now might come for this thing, scrap and download all images from the web page. Might helpful for maybe downloading the images from the web page. We get the uh similar failure during downloading. When by using this thing, you can download the web page without any problem. When we are here, the given the basic installation, we need to install the Selenium and beautiful using the Python package manager for we install Selenium beautiful support. Okay. You can download the Chrome driver if you have Chrome browser version. You have to enter the Chrome driver path as by the program. Okay. To initialize the thing, we just including the program as Selenium import the web driver. Import the request as output. This section is might new to you. First, I already taught you how to import the thing in standard library, but I don't tell you how to use standard library. Then this words may be bigger, larger, so every time you want to type is might as a uh, hard task to you. By simply assigning as, it just means it just rename the thing for the request. Whenever we call the RU or Q, it is calling the request. Then by default, we just import OS from BS4, import beautiful shop, then the import time. After giving the input path, then we use a URL, then we turn out. Nothing will new for us. But we didn't declare any function in this. So don't worry. Here we declare the function of get URL, then the driver get path from format, then get URL, then get loading, then prepare and document or CN. Okay. So if you defining the URL in this area, you just get the output as what you want the exact work. Not only for the document, it also defining a function for link or image into the result of URL. Depending those things, the important link you get, it may be called the appropriate image link and depending the functions, then you get out. For the same thing, if you want to download an image from the thing, you can use this extension of JPG, JPEG, GIF, whatever you want. You just use the exact extension. Then by applying the URL in that area, then choosing the download, you can get the exact thing from your own Python source. Coming for the thing, organize downloads for the with different categories. So if you are going to the download region in your laptop, you might get all the stuff in your laptop. Everything resides in your download area. So your download area is might look like a garbage section. For this solution, you can use your own Python program to make the folder for different categories. By using this program, you can directly directly divide out your folders. I feel here nothing will happen. So just import the OS, then the shutter. Then we just defining a path for our download. Then here we give the extensions of all in order. So here we just defining images. So this is the extension for images and for videos and for music, then clips, then documents, setup, program, design, everything. Everything we just give and here. After that, we defining a function as this thing. For that, we can for file use. We just using a for loop. For the only thing, we just having a lot of files in our area. So every time is not maybe sufficient you made to declare it every time. So for that, you use the for loop here. After that, you get the output as the thing of is already. Then send emails involved from the CSV file. Okay, how to send the email, but it's all right here. Okay, then coming for the next thing, getting the IP address and the host name of a website. How can be done by this? We can the input socket and then defining a set of function, then print the thing, then finally if you get the function, you may get the output of the IP address and host name of a website. You're simply declaring the path of the host name. Then by getting those functions, you may get the output. Okay. Hopefully we are reaching the end of the session. So in the next class, I try to catch with more programming languages. Sorry. I try to catch up with more programming with real-time examples. So for the next class, you might able to sit with your own notes. So thank you for watching. All the best, guys.
To obtain a course completion certificate, visit our site and finish the rest of the course video. Sign up or sign in, choose your level, watch the video and take the quiz. Finish all the quiz to unlock the final quiz and get your certificate. Happy learning!